The volume profile indicator plots previous period's volume profile. It's going to show you historical VPOC, or volume point of control, and it's going to show you historical naked VPOCs, or volume point of controls. Now remember that a naked VPOC is a VPOC that has not been tested. We've found that these numbers, these levels, become price magnets in the future, so you want to know where those areas are. It's going to show you historical value area highs and low. Again, this is very important because you can see how value shifts over time. Works on any chart, any instrument, and any market. Stocks, ETFs, futures, and Forex. Here's the example of an ES chart on a 60-minute. And basically this is showing us a volume profile for a specific day. Now on the same chart you can see the volume profile for another day. So you see multiple days here that have the volume profile on it. Obviously the value area here is the orange or reddish area. Also gives you the VPOCs, the volume point of controls. Now here's another chart. This is showing us the value area high, the value area lows, and you can see how it's plotting those out into the future. So these levels become important, especially if there is confluence. So you have multiple lines that are together. That's an important support or resistance point where the market is going to possibly retest. Okay, so you can see how this is a value area low from a previous day where price came right up to it. You can see another one here is the value area high. This is from a previous day, and it also gave us some support or resistance in this particular case. This next example is actually showing the volume profile historic POC. So the dashed line is a POC. Those are previous POCs, places where there's confluence. So in the future there's a double POC up here, there's a value area high. This area up here is going to be an area of potential support or resistance, in this case probably resistance. You can see that those exist. Once you can find these areas, it's very, very useful to take into account the historical VPOCs and a naked PVOC. The naked is the yellow line here. It's kind of hard to see. But the yellow line here is a naked PVOC. You can start using this indicator immediately because it's ready to use right out of the box with default settings. It comes with a detailed explanation video and a PDF manual. And don't forget our 30-day love it or replace it guarantee. If within 30 days you don't love it, we'll happily replace it with one that you do that's equal to the price you paid. No questions asked. So go ahead and get started right away.